Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanzina, welcoming you all. Those who are new and stopping by, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and those who are old, don't be scared because I'm not going to do all my videos in English. All my vlogs will be coming as usual in Bangla, but today's video I'm just going to do a review, so I thought I would just do it in English so everybody can understand and get beneficial. Before starting the review, I would just start with one small story. It's about me. My hair. My hair was quite long, very beautiful, very nice, very fake, mashallah. But due to breastfeeding and all other stuff, lacking of vitamins and all, I started losing my hair, and it was very terrible for me. I was so scared and I was losing my hair like anything. So I had to cut down my hair up to here, and then still now my hair, I couldn't even put my fingers in between, so I cut them again more shorter, so it's growing back again. So I don't mind, it will grow back, but I really wanted nice soft volume hair like every woman like wish for. So I was so upset and I couldn't find any shampoos. I was using some other shampoos, but they were not really satisfying me. So I thought, why don't I just give it a go to that shampoo, which is actually banana flavor, because I was using banana mask but like once in a week. But kind of with the babies, you feel like it's a hassle to make it and then wash it off, and it takes time and all other stuff. And this is the shampoo here. Still now I have left a little bit, and this is the conditioner which I finished almost, and you can see some water left because I just wanted to take most out of it. So I wanted to give the review after using it properly and see what is the result, and the result is just right in front of you. If you have seen my previous videos while I was struggling with my tangling hair, and now it's very soft, very beautiful, and it nourished my hair the way I wanted. So this shampoo actually says truly nourishing shampoo for normal to dry hair. So I have actually oily scalp and dry hair, but this shampoo is working very nice for me, for my hair. So there's no harsh giving a try while there's a sale going on or something. Just buy this, as this shampoo is actually it's a cruelty free, so it's not testing on animal, and it is a safe to try shampoo. So this is formulated without silicones, but it has a mild level of sulfate. So as we all know, sulfate is not really good for curly hair, but as I have a wavy hair, and it did work on my hair really nicely. So it has a very beautiful smell. It leaves a smell like not banana, but it's like kind of sweet banana, and you will love it. And they have other collections from Body Shop as well. I might just try them later when I have like good healthy hair. I'm really looking forward to those strawberries one, and I will buy them for my kids as well. So there's no silicone and no harsh chemical, so I can use it for my kids as well. Now I'm going to show you the texture of this. So when you use this product, it doesn't really leave too much like oily or like too moisturized or too leathery level. As you can see, I washed my hair today this morning. I didn't straighten up my hair, I just did what I did, I just blow dried my hair, and it's perfect and it's beautiful. It's so nice. So one more thing, if you have oil in your hair, like if you want to wash off your oily hair, then you need to use 2 to 3 times. So you need to take quite a good amount of shampoo just to use it. As you can see, it's a very small bottle. You don't want to really waste your shampoo, this one just to wash off your oil. So if you have oil in your hair, I would say rather use some other shampoo for that day just to wash off your hair, and then on your next wash you can use this shampoo. It depends on you, you can still use this one. And also I have as I mentioned that I have an oily scalp and I have a dry hair. This shampoo cleans my scalp very beautiful, very nicely, takes out all the dirt and leave my hair smooth. So far so good. This shampoo, I really liked it. I will go for next bottle again along with other shampoos I'm using. I got myself other shampoo and conditioner which I'm going to use right after these actually, and I will use that, and I will give review on that one as well. If I see that one is not working on my hair, then I will go back to this shampoo, but definitely I will purchase this again. So yeah, that was it for today. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, as I give reviews sometimes on different products as well, which I use and I found good or bad in it. I like to share with you all. Hope you liked this review as well, and all my vlogs are actually in my language, which is Bangla. If you really want to see, like, there's no subtitle, but if you really want to see that what I do, and you can guess still that what I'm doing. So I'll just finish the video here today. I'll see you all again on my next video. Till then, I love you all.